Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin and today we are filming with the Ethereal Bloom palette from artist Couture. I've never actually tried this brand until now, and we created this really fun kind of out there look together in today's video. Artist Couture is currently doing their annual birthday sale. I believe it's their 8th birthday, don't quote me on that, but a sale, you know, anniversary of the brand. So they've got some great sales going on. This palette's only $10. I had bought it a while back and the sale kind of inspired me of like, oh hey, you don't need to shop the sale, you've already got something from the brand. So we're gonna test it out, talk about it, and if that sounds good to you, keep on watching. Before we get too far into the video, don't forget to click that subscribe button. I upload twice a week, it's totally free to subscribe, and I would love to have you back on the channel again. I know Wesley and I, we're behind, right? Like, he hasn't filmed with me yet for 400 subscribers. If you're new here, my fiance has promised me when I started my channel that every 50 subscribers he would film something with me. And like, our schedules have not aligned. We've been passing ships the past, I'd say maybe 2 months. Finally figured out what we're gonna film, have had an idea we're gonna do together, and just in the nick of time, because I'm very close to 450 subscribers, I said, Wesley, chop, we gotta get on this because we're gonna be like even more behind because you're probably gonna have to film another one with me soon. And I know some of you have been asking for more content with him. So without rambling on any further, let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, so here is the outside packaging if you haven't seen this. And I really do kind of like, it's plastic on the inside, but it's, I don't know, I like the fact that hopefully you can tell it's not completely flat, like it's curved a little bit or like tapered on the edges. That's what it looks like on the inside. And this is what they consider one of their mini palettes from artist Couture. Here is the color story. A little bright considering we're in fall, but I actually kind of want to do something a little blue. I'm wearing this like bright orange, and I kind of thought like blue and orange kind of moment could be a little fun, but I can also see like, I'm kind of curious about these pinks. I have never tried this brand before, so I have no idea what to expect. And they've come out with, I think one other palette that kind of looked interesting to me, but it was a lot of neutrals, and I honestly have a lot of great neutral options already. Some of my favorite neutrals are the Kathleen Lights collab with Il Makiage and the Lunar Beauty Nude Prism palette. Also the Huda Beauty Rose Quartz. So I wanted something a little bit more colorful, poppy, punchy. So I'm going to go into Eternity. I just primed my eyelids. I'm going to use the Beaute P1 brush. And I'm just going to use this to put a little transition in my crease. Next up, I'm going to use a Morphe M456 brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Angelic, this kind of like tealy, matte, bluish green color. There does seem to be a lot of kick up in the pan, so I am tapping. Yeah, that's nice and punchy. I like it. I kind of like, I've noticed when I like bright colors, I'm more into something that is bright and punchy, but not fluorescent personally. And I hate it when it's either a pastel or a bright color and it comes off as chalky. This is not doing either of those things. I'm not having to pack it on too much to get it to be like true to the color in the pan too, which is really nice. So there's actually quite a few things that are on sale on the site right now. I know this is one of their $10 items. They have some stuff that's $8, and then they have 50% off some things, like the body shimmer is the thing that I was looking at and really want to try, but y'all know I've been trying to hold back, and I'm not going to purchase it because I do have not one but two different like body shimmer products right now, one of which I like, and it's actually an Ulta brand one, and one of which I really despise, and it's super sticky. That one is from Pacifica, but regardless, the point is I have two, and I'm not gonna buy a third one when I still haven't used up the two in my collection already. But if you are in the market for those things, they're on sale right now. I'm gonna put on some Ulta Beauty glitter primers just because I don't know how punchy these shimmers are on their own, and I'm gonna give them their best shot here. And I'm gonna use an Ace Beaute P3 brush to apply that. So far the mattes, wonderful. just great, have not a bad thing to say about it. Like I said, they're a little powdery, a little bit of fallout and kick up in the pan here, but as long as you know that, that doesn't bother me. Do I want just blue or do I want to do a couple colors? Ooh, because there's this glorious shade too. I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to keep it simple today, just short, sweet, to the point, and I'm going to go in with Divinity, this shimmer, and I'm going to put that everywhere that I laid that glitter primer. It's pretty. I will say it's not wanting to pick up on the brush very well. I've been kind of spoiled by my indie brand shimmers, I think, although I'm pretty sure Artist Couture is an indie brand, is it not? I know it's owned by an influencer. I think his name is Angel. I don't follow him, so I'm not 100% on that, but I'm pretty sure that these are probably shimmers that work better with your fingers, but I just really don't want to get my fingers dirty, guys. I still think that's really pretty. Nice light blue. What do you guys think? I like it, especially for $10. I mean, there's stuff that you buy, I'm sure you guys have experienced this, like the pitfall of buying Makeup Revolution, or even Morphe, something that's like cheaper, more affordable makeup, and you're like, I mean, it's fine, like I only paid $10 for it, I guess it's okay for $10, right? If this is, the sale price is $10, this is good for $10. Like, I'm not mad at it for sure. It's way better than a lot of stuff I've tried from those other brands. By the way, Garfield is here with us now, if you heard a little meow. It is him announcing his presence. If you see his little tail, he's gonna sit on my lap and hang out with us for a while. Have you guys tried anything from Artist Couture before? Like I said, this is the first time I'm trying. Curious about not only their body products, but I saw also for, I don't remember if it was in the $8, $10 category in their sale, but that's some bronzer and blush palettes that looked really nice too. And I'd be curious to hear from you guys if you've tried it, like what was your experience? And they have some lip glosses that look absolutely wonderful too. There's a yellow one. I'm sure it doesn't really like come off as yellow, but I don't know, something about a yellow gloss just sounds so good to me. But like I said, I'm gonna be good. I'm not gonna shop the sale. But it did inspire me to go, oh, I did buy that palette and I still haven't tried it. Let me delve into that. I do like this Eternity shade in the crease, but I think I'm going to add a little bit of Flourish just because I am wearing such a bright orange top, and maybe it'll kind of like bring a little bit of that orange corally color to the look. It's giving very Nimya brand vibes, right? And that might tie it into my outfit a little bit more. Yeah, I think I like that a lot. Ooh, now what do I want to do for liner is the question. Let me figure that out. You know, I'm not really sure how this is gonna go, but I'm gonna get crafty and exciting, y'all, okay? So I'm gonna take this BH Studio Pro number 12 brush. It's a little like angled liner brush. And I'm gonna take the liquid lipstick from Menagerie Cosmetics in the shade Hyacinth. I wore this recently in a different video. I will leave it linked if you haven't seen it yet, but I'm gonna try to use this because a lot of liquid lipsticks you can actually use as liner. So we're gonna try, we're really gonna try. I'm not gonna talk while I do this because I just don't have that skill level. Good for you if you do, but full concentration will be required for this, so wish me luck. Okay, I think it's going well so far. I kind of did a light layer just to put a base down and kind of like a guide. Now I'm gonna go back in with a second coat, maybe even a third coat, we'll see, and see if I can build it up. I actually really do like that purple as a wing. What do you guys think? Have you ever used liquid lipstick as an eyeliner? If not, I would highly recommend you try it, especially because I know a lot of you like me like mystery boxes, and sometimes you've gotten things that maybe are not a traditional color that you're comfortable with wearing on the lips. Try a little liner brush like this. I really think this was maybe like $3, seriously, from BH Cosmetics. I really like the angled ones too. I really think it helps to get in there really well. And yeah, try it as a fun color eyeliner if you're not comfortable with using it as a lip product. I think it goes really well with this look. Just make sure you clean your brush off afterwards, because if you leave the excess liquid lipstick on there and it dries, it's almost like a paintbrush, you know, it'll get kind of like crusty and dried together, and you won't be able to use the brush if you've got all that hardened dried product on there. Like the bristles won't be as flexible for precision. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes, put on some mascara, figure out some highlighter, some lip or something. I don't know, what do you guys think? I think I'm gonna do more of a natural lip just because we've got more of a bold eye look, but maybe something fun for highlighter, right? That could be fun. Also, if you curl your eyelashes and you're doing the whole liquid lipstick thing for eyeliner or even liquid liner, make sure it fully dries before you curl your eyelashes, or else it will transfer and come off on your eyelash curler. Learn that the hard way. Okay, for highlighter, I'm gonna put on a little bit of Mermaid Tears from Bitter Lace Beauty. This is kind of like a pinky purpley blue highlighter. I'm not sure how much of it you can actually see on camera. This one I feel like has a nice transparent base, so you can like build it up to be really strong, but you can also kind of buff it in the way I'm doing just to give you like a little hint of it, and it's not in its full effect. I'm not sure, honestly. You guys will have to look if you can even get Mermaid Tears, just because I know when I got it, it was on clearance, which usually means like once they're out of stock, they're not gonna restock it, but it was only $5, which, you know, for a great indie brand highlighter, I'll take it. I also ended up taking some of it and putting it in my inner corner just to kind of tie it in a little bit. I might have gone a little overboard with the highlighter, I'm not gonna lie, but I was just starting to feel kind of some sort of mermaid fantasy, I guess, and, you know, we ended up here. It happens sometimes, you know? And you know, just for fun, because we're kind of going blue, I think I'm going to go in with the Sugarpill Gloss in shade Neptune, because I just don't get to use this enough, you know? I kind of want to, since it's Halloween too, do some of these glosses, because I have some fun, like, shifty glosses like this. I kind of want to do black lip with some of the glosses over top of it, because I think that would even more show it off. Have you guys ever tried that? I was just looking at Sugarpill's Instagram today, and they have this liquid lip that is an orange metallic that looks so good. I have an orange liquid lip, I think from Ofra, that I really love. I think it's called Spellbound, but it's just a matte orange. It's not metallic, and something about that metallic, oh, looks so good. I'm going to try to be good and not get it. Use what I have, you know, maybe I can always do the matte orange and put some sparkle over it to make it look metallic. I do think on this whole low buy thing though, I am going to give myself a little bit of grace when it comes to the Black Friday sales, because I just know myself and I don't know how the willpower will be at that time. But I am making progress a little bit on my collection in some areas, which you guys might see in my next empties video. Like, I'm very close to finishing up a whole primer. I just finished up a foundation today when I was doing my base before this look, so like we're making some strides, and I'm not repurchasing in those areas, so I feel like, you know, a little bit of progress. Alright guys, and here is the finished look. I'm wearing, like I said, kind of my Hocus Pocus. This is the Salem Broom Company sweater that I've got on, so we're Halloween yet summer? I don't know. I feel like I'm always out of season with my looks, but you know, that's the beauty of makeup. You can do whatever you want, whenever you want with it, and no one can stop you. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a little random, but like I said, I just saw the sale and it reminded me of it. So if you're interested in any products from the brand, now might be your time to test it out. I hope you enjoyed this video so much, and I hope to see you again on the next one. Bye!